Okay, students, this is going to be a quick video explanation of accessing and taking the FEMA independent study courses. What you see right here is a 10-minute video where I go into detail about everything in the helpful resources, links and resources folder. For this brief video, I'm going to go straight to the folder where you will find all the FEMA IS courses, as well as your experiential reflection template and examples. So click on this folder. This has a list of the folder's contents at the top. I think most or all of you already have your FEMA student ID number for taking courses. If not, this is how you access that. Then this is a comprehensive list of everything that's required of you as far as FEMA IS courses for the skills class. And it has the name of the course, it has the date that it's due, how many experiential hours it's worth, and you should hang on to this document because you can keep track of whether you have done a reflection for a particular course and if you have your artifact handy. An artifact is just what the current lingo is for evidence. So it includes certifications, pictures, videos, letters of appreciation, awards, those types of things. Okay, so that's what that document is. Then if you go down to right here, you have the experiential reflections. I provide an explanation, and if you already understand what they are, you can scroll on down and see this is a template for if you want to write about one particular course, one particular event, an exercise, something you want to focus on, and these are just prompts. You fill in your name, the title of the event or incident, the date, and then you write about it, and you utilize the prompts that are there. I also provide an example. So you can read an example of a single event reflection and then utilize that document to create your own. Then I have the same for multiple event reflections. Sometimes the professional development series lends itself to either one of these. I have a student that wrote about each of the independent study courses for the professional development series, and he did it in one document as one. It's almost like one event with everything described. Another option that students can use, including you, is this. This is where you look at or you utilize a chart to capture your video. I mean, the name of your independent study course, and okay, there we go. So scroll down here, you have the chart, and I have an example for you right here. You list the course number, the title, that's key. You're going to want that on your portfolio and resume. The date that you took it, how many hours it's worth, and then you write about your little mini reflection. And you can do that for anything that makes sense in a series. Okay, so now as to the specific course, the one due last night, right here, PDS, Independent Study Course 230, Fundamentals of EAM. When you open it, each one of these folders has a link that you can take to the FEMA site, and it also has a link where you upload your certificate of completion or your email. If something's wrong with receiving the certification, you can put your congratulations, you did this email to fill in the meantime to get it turned in. And you also need to do a reflection. Now, what you can do is you can utilize either format of the reflections. So if you want to start creating a chart of all the independent studies courses for the professional development series, that's perfectly fine. So you would start your own chart and start filling that in. You can upload that each time. So for example, what you would do is in the chart right now, you would have it right here. You would have IS 230, Fundamentals of Emergency Management. You would have September 12th, 2018. You would have the number of hours. I believe it may be 3 to 6. We'll go back and look at that, and then you could write your reflection. And then when you do the next IS course, you would just continue filling in the chart. Or you can do kind of like some students have chosen to do, and just talk about the professional development series as one thing, and then go through and number each of the courses and just have a little description. Again, you could also do a podcast or a presentation, anything that helps you tie the FEMA training course that you're taking to what you've learned or other training that you've had. So I think that's everything. Trying to keep this one short. We'll see how I did.